Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. What will I say already is the portion of police here Philippine of such as looking on about in here. So it is such as uh, putting myself on Tenga mode just at home. I not know why. Why do I say that? Because on the talking during year 2023 on my right ear of them, they is saying year 2025 SI yakadiri. SIR. Nandidiri talaga ako. Meaning to say, they is putting me on Tenga mode. Oh, reason no, of why there is person dead. I'll talk more. Nang dahil lang sa kabit. Oh my God, Kadiri. Ang dalaga Filipina is me. Richel Ang Gementisa Sr. is high at the moment. Should I talk? It is the portion on the fruit. Why? Should I talk? Myself is slapping ear. And then putting traumatization on myself on reproductive organ. And then it is so ache on my chest because I not doing something on my reproductive organ and yet they is bullying. I am doing this and I want to show it. Excuse me. When I screenshot that gown, the right eye of myself is anger. Why? Because putting myself on such a slow, the bad person who is talking on my right ear, Danica is killer as well. That is so hurtful. My feeling is mine, they getting it on the use of black magic. I wish they be dead. Nang dahil lang sa kabit, seriousness, nasisira yung something. I not want the voice on my right ear. They is killing me. If Roderick Kid is my baby, Roderick Kid is on Europa. Not to other person here, Philippine. Putting myself on killing. At the moment, they is on situation of myself during pregnancy. Tequila is what I want to drink, not nakakadiri. Seriousness, never apologetic is me because I know to myself that I am good person. And then when it comes on to socialization, I am busy. Such this so. Tada! I like writing. Writing of being a girl gender of myself. Personal. I will put looks. Shyness. I want on the serious. Seriousness. Such as about my talking previous uh camera video, March 2018, 28 today. What about myself at this moment? Putting myself on, they is the person that is high. But my talking is literal. What about the police? They is putting me on Tenga mode. And then, what else it is? Bakor. Precious Crescendi ko as Bakor ang bobo camouflage. Malandi, babae. Precious Crescendi ko, bad person. She is a person of such as no cares if a person is dead of what of her own reason of why putting on dead. Killing. She is a killer on my life. If she is putting black magic on myself about heaviness, such as car, what is the reverse of it onto her? I not know. She is doing that so that myself be on Tenga mode. Who put this on myself return? This doing of writing, it should be grade 5 pa lamang. Who? Na no. I write. Killer as well. Kabit number 2, putting me on such as GRO, even though myself is not GRO. That is so hurtful on my life. Curse the person is. The Bobo Camouflage o Backer of Kabit number 2. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. She has as well backer from business company such as they is forming a group in case of a disaster. I not know. And then the disaster about when it comes onto my life. Why? I am goodness person that I not know that person. Getting of mine is criminality of her. Now, slapping of ear. The bad person talks. I not even like the neighborhood in here. I not socialize. I not want them. And then I not want this location. What I like is subdivision at the gig, not in here. I am not greedy. I just say of what I prefer. And then I not runs off doing body movement. What is on myself, I not like in here. And then I not want black magic, I not like in here. To fullness what I say. This is right eye, not left eye. All my memory is left eye. Right eye is something. I not know why. Not want you. Oh, the Cayetano is clingy. I not know. They is on a side of, I not know. Dami ko. I not want to think about them. Side of what? Girl gender. What is lingers on my right eye is Danica. I not want Danica. Doon na Europa. Danica is killer. At the young age killer. That is so bad. Myself is being unhurt. What else could I say? Is they putting me on shame? I not know. Why? Because of my previous camera video, I could not remember of what I say on the last minute of my previous camera video this day. What I could feel is something is being returned on myself. And then the right ear of myself says palit. I not know why. Myself is being returned onto something such as nearly on broad when it comes on to talking. I not know why, but myself is specific. Temi ko, I am talking about, ay, wait lang. Palit, letter P, letter A, letter R, L, letter I, letter T in English dialecto. That is Tagalog word in English dialecto. Letter C, letter H, letter A, letter N, letter G, letter E. Not one. Lover legs ko, kinlalegs ko. Someone is on the right eye and then tends to put me on sadness at the moment the use of black magic. I am writing a while ago. I like of what I write. It is good to cite. A while ago, after my camera video, they is targeting me about this location. I not like in here. This is harassment of what they're doing on my life on this location. They is killer. I already put in here of my socialization only. Those I want to socialize. I am a girl gender. I put in here. na. Tada! Nauntim. I not want the voice on my ear. That is why I slap my ear. What is on the right eye is lingers. Those person that I not want. This morning, I noticed my right eye is such as flame. And then it is truthfulness of what I say on my previous camera video. It is such a singaw. Singaw is Tagalog word in English word. Sunshine, array, something such that. I not know why. And then, sunshine arrays. Not the sunshine arrays. Flame. Flame. Flame it is. What else? Police. Backer. To whom backer they is. The person in here putting me on Tenga mode. Ah. Why they is such that? I am not feeling high level. Alex Junior ko is good person as well. Bullying? Why to bully? If has own life? I not know. Why? Timid ko. When it comes into government, there is election. Kaya nga. Ano kaya meron? They tends to bully. Lover ko, Alex ko. Grabe. I wish bad person be dead. The bully about is specific. Such as this. Oh, yumaman ka lang eh. Ganyan ka. Something such that. At I not know why. That is so greatest. Why they is such that? And that is bad. Oh, they're speaking on mouth. Oh, sense of humor. That is why such as bullying. Ang timing ko. That is the intensity on myself eh. I am just 29-year-old. In English dialect of it, sus, you just being rich and then yourself is such that, something such that is English translation. Not envious. And then the other, sino ka para madamig ka naman ng papa ko? Bakit ganito? Ano? That is bad on myself. Not want them. That is not my sense of humor. And then, socialization of myself, it takes a year. Such as 3 years, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, something such that is my socialization. Ah, huh? No, the foreigner is as well long. Long socialization. Based on my panaginip, such as visitor. Let's see. Puro long. Huh? Oh, that is why I put in there. Long socialization. Grabe. Tina-target talaga ako. Tahimik ko. See. At some, on my self situation at the moment, there is on my left in here, being on from exhausted to pampi relaxation. Why? No. Tahimik ko. Roderick Kid, if he is my baby, deepness as well is what I feel. Deepness. Deepness is the love. That is why I say, Rapa, lover. So that it could be, shows. Timmy ko, I want to think about it. That is my insight. When I think of Roderick Kid, girlfriend is European person. It is such as routine. Routine. Is Roderick Kid my baby? I not know. Am I on fast mode? Then myself should be on slow motion. Why? I will have a baby baby boy. Or baby girl. I not know. They is clinging din sa black magic. But baby ko, Roderick Kid. I not know. Roderick Kid is happy to that girl. He will notice it on himself when college degree or working status already. Ganon. And then from that moment, there is sadness. I not know why. Sadness, wait, about time. Timing ko, not similar them unto myself. Timing ko, I will focus on Manuel Quezon Jr. so that I could talk about on other person. Kaya nga. I will just drink water.
Unaan na saan yung susi sa gate?
Ayun na. What else could I say? Okay, so... Nandidiri ako. They is targeting my reproductive organ. That is so bad doing. Myself is steady. I wish the bad person be dead talaga. Nakakadiri. Getting of mine is criminality. Na on in here. Ew. Bad person is the person that talks. Ano ba? Tulong naman oh. What I just know on the police is I of a person that I not tells of my situation. So meaning to say bakar of kabit. Nakakadiri. Illness day is. They is targeting the orange uniform. During year 2024 pa lamang. That is a bobo camouflage. The short height is targeting them. That bobo camouflage is as well rapist to my baby girl. I not know why. Of how they do that. Naimiko, they is bad person. Slash head that person. Nakakadiri, criminal bobo camouflage. Here, Philippine. My God. Pure is me. I wish talaga this country is a disaster so that they know of what they're doing on the use of black magic. That is what I say. The karma, it should be extremely high level. Putting it on extremely high level. I am Konian. Tala niya magnay. Diamantisa Jr. Also name as Mrs. Konian. Tala niya magnay Quezon the first saying it. The karma should put it on the karma, that existence of karma on this earth, put it on high level, extremely, so that they could be dead already. I will talk. My God. Oh, it is Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez, year 2018. And then the albularyo, such as F4, albularyo na ano, I don't know. They is tends to use black magic so that to contradict karma. Weird. Year 2018 pa lamang. Even during year 2018. That albularyo is backer of Precious Crucendico. What it is happening? And then, uh, Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez is tends to contradict the karma in the use of black magic. Eighteen. Oh, they know already. Those person on my right ear about na iya. Is that good? That is on my left eye. Beige color. Is that good doing? Here is beige color. I think that is when it comes onto renovation is fast mode. Why? So that to enjoy the life. That's so. Such as SM Aura, New Look. Ganun. I want the bobo camouflage. Oh, Diyos ko, Alex. Ang dahil sa black magic, oh. So meaning to say, they is uses black magic and then harasses my baby so that my baby could not exist yet. So that my baby could not exist. Is that so? So meaning to say, I am on critical situation. That is a backer of kabit. That bobo camouflage short height. They use black magic. They is on high level. Here, Philippine. Oh, please help me naman, oh. Grabing killer. Taga-UP. Ew. Seriousness is what I say. Nasaan Alex ko? How do I know if Alex Jr. ko is pure as well? I am pure. That is once of Alex ko. Year 2021, he say that to myself, the reason. He wants as well on church and then first kiss, something such that. What they're doing on the right ear of myself, the bobocom of the kabit number 2 is pokpok, GRO. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri, pokpok. Tends to put Alex Jr. ko on a situation of dirtiness. I am the love life of Alex ko, I am pure. I not know yet my status when it comes into Catholic, when it comes into reproductive organ. I not want to think about it. My tone of voice is something weird. I'm looking indoor, in here. Reason of why looking, I not know. Fast mode, myself, and then renovation. On renovation, there is investor. Kaya nga, there is no renovation of no investor. It should have investor. Timing ko. Always such that when it comes into renovation, there is investor so that it could accumulate profit, money. On every renovation. Am I correct? That is me, Konian, that says it. Renovation of establishment, such as food restaurant, mall. Impromptu talking of myself this year 2025, March 28. My low vibes is high school starts. The start of it is being honest and then, oh, this is the eroticness of kabit. The such this of myself. The sharp is towards me so that myself could be honest always. That is why this is how I hold knife. As you can see. That is their eroticness on myself. It should be mine. They should not think. They should not get it because that is mine. I am Konian existence in this earth. Kaloka. That is my start of law, high school. That is why I'm strong. They should not pressing my chest because I am healthy. They use black magic. I not want black magic. They is bad person. My mother teach me that inside of the house. The knife. The word of her is matulak ka ng demonyo. Baka matulak ka ng demonyo. Sabi niya. Myself is wants to be fall from stairs. They is preparing that when myself is pregnant. Ganun. Even this one, no. They start it year 2019. This one. This one. And then, that is the tear and the drop of the water. I didn't see. Myself is smiley, I not know why. But that is what is on the right eye. They want myself could not be pregnant. Not know the reason. But that is true, tambucho, motor. I not want this place talaga. That person be dead. I am Catholic. Never myself holds a knife such this. I am afraid of temptation. Such this, never. It is always such this. I did see phobia. That is not hurt. On myself, I am strong. They should be not. He is killing me. My talking to King at the moment. Is this good? Why? Putting myself on talking to King. Lover ko, Alex ko. Lover ko, Alex Jr. ko. Lover of myself, Manuel Quezon the First. There is only one count of person. 6 feet and 6 inch. Tall height. Brownish color. Thick eyebrow. Straight hair. In the civil engineer college degree. I could not say lover ko Manuel Quezon the First. I feel shy. My shyness is towards to being Dalagang Filipina. And then from Dalagang Filipina, it will such this. Oh, talaga siya. Yan, may service on hitness. Ante, may service on hitness. Ante, I am pretty. May service on hitness at the moment. Hitness, my body. Such as sun rays. Lover Alex ko. Lang init. I will write at the moment. Blue. Is there a blue flower? I not know. I have a question. Is there a flower field here, Philippines? Damn ko. Reason why I tell a question? Because I cite on Instagram. Other country has none. Damn ko. What is it on myself? Tourist. I like flower. Tourist destination. Oh, work, love, life, travel is me, part of community. I just talk such this because I think of. That is year 2023. Plants, existence. La, the soler. Temiko. Soler. Plant on soler. The batik-batik. What about my baby? Kaya ko daldal. Temiko. What it is, when it comes onto plant, existence of plant on 8th year of black magic, it starts year 2016. It is about the plant of such this. Oh, that is good to be toxic this because I tend to tear plant. The existence of it, they used to existence year 2016. This one white and pink, the inside, and then this one pink inside, and I don't know if there is white. That is year 2016 when I cite it, and then my body movement is putting it on that leaf. I not know why tearing it such this, and then it exists. It is popular year 2022. In 2021, they is popular. And then, I need to say this because of my observation. After that, oh wait, I'm on plant already. After that, thinking process, not the thinking process, when it comes onto that leaf, year 2021, it exists. It is popular. It is being sold on market. And then, during year 2022, myself is being put on talking about it. And then, lover collects ko. Brownish color, natural color there is. I feel shy. And then, hmm, The right eye is thinking, saying, nasa mother kayo ni Gabkid, no? Pagdating sa pagkocontrol sa utak, something such that. I know how to think. They just putting me on stopping to think. Akin utak ko. Lover ko, Alex ko. I want to say about the plant existence. Wait. Plant. The plant is a leaf. Nature. It is part of the tree. And then the next is tree in English, in Tagalog, puno. In English, tree. The spelling is Tree. Next about it is, my talking is pertains to Kabit, number 2, about her black magic. Mine is mine. Akin Alex ko. What else could I say? During year 2021, when I cite the leaf, I'm Conan the talks. When I cite the leaf, myself is truthfulness is what I am saying. Why you is contradict my talking when it comes into interrogation? I know what I am saying. It is truthfulness happen on myself. The bad person is killing me. I am talking about wait lang. I am about to talk of Manuel Quezon Jr. I will talk to about Manuel Quezon and my other camera video, not on this camera video. Now, plan. Year 2021 is the thinking process of myself on plan. The existence is this one, and then this one. The color of inside is pink and white, and then this one is pink. Now, it turns me back, it returns me onto year 2016. That year 2016 is my habitual on the plant, green plant, on every plant I sight. That is tearing of such this, and then such this, and then removing the leaf of it on the stem, which is, I don't know, such this, the meaning of it, removing the leaf on the stem, presumption there is on thinking process of myself. I will talk. Why I need to talk so that myself be understood because it flows on my mind. I not assume that about it. It reminds me of my doing. Oh, the word it reminds me on the doing. I will talk and then the flow. I think there is a spy. Tama. Timik to. There is person tends to destroy my talking. Ang dami nilang opportunity. There is a multiple opportunity to kills me. You not want you. I need to have work. That is why I need to talk. Talk lang ako ng talk. That leaf, it returns me on my memory, year 2016. Tearing the leaf, on proportionate, and then, such as ostia. That is as well being described on the right eye of myself, such as ostia. And then, tearing the leaf on the stem of it. That is my doing year 2016. While dancing. Myself year 2016 dance. Such as back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, such that. I am Konian. Back and forth, such this body movement. The lower portion only. So if it is lower portion, my lower body, it is such as ganon. Such this portion, that is my body movement on 3. Myself is 7 o'clock in the evening is my last subject on school, college degree, Asia Pacific College. I tends to walk with my fellow classmate on Villamor Air Base. Yes, I'm such that. This one. The lower portion of my body. And then, I am on, during year 2016, I tend to go at Mother Perpetual Health Church. And then, novena about. That is my start of novena. Good that I talk. The right I as well say that. Good that I talk. Kanian. And then, I have a lover. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait. I talk. I have a lover. Wait lang. I'll just drink water. My self-thinking, is they getting me? No. I have a lover. And then the other says, binabaog ako. Does not want me to have a baby. And then the other is, someone is wants to explain something descriptive about this one. Ano? Vague. Hala, I am not artista. 100% I am Konian. I am not artista. The person that is artista, you tend to remove yourself from me. Mine is mine. Do na, Snow White is my favorite when it comes on to singing myself. You are just envious because I have that such tone of voice. That is why you put me on Shoutness year 2022, girl gender kabit. I not use black magic. And then, I feel scared. green, Alex ko. I will talk now about plant. The definition of color white, green is the softness. Softness, never hurt person. And then the next is the pink color. It is already such this when it is being ganyan na. And then such this. I not know what it means. African says during year 2023, medicine, for medicine. And then, tahimik only, behave. I will talk, oh, even, wait lang. I'll talk. Si Isulan na lang wala. I have no socialization to Isulan, banding. Only family. My father, my mother, me, Corina, and then Alex Jr. ko. Si Isulan na lang wala. Kasi, banding muna. Banding. Socialization. Kaya nga. Not boastful. Is this good? How it is exists? The thinking process. There is person chismosa tends to lead me on the situation on the about plan. So that is the first happen. Someone leads me on about plan. And then such that talking of myself. Oh, dikit lang Alex ko. Talk lang ng talk. Oh, there is person, oh. And then, ala! Oh, may panaginip is already this number. Imagination of Penay, 469. I feel scared. Scared of Gold Digger. Scared of Gold Digger. What is the other meaning? Putting on the leaf of myself memory so that it could be of what the intention, bad intention. Wait. And then not the word wait. And then the other is the Catholic Church is helping me so that it could be something such that the definition of it is so that it could be such as on flower. If flower is such this, it so that it could be such this. Yun. I will talk more. And then the next is Year 2023, I am on year 2023 talking. What else could I say? There is already on medicine, African. They want it to, I don't know, they want to gather information about the plant, medicine, benefits. And then the next plant is Solaire, Casino, Batik-batik. It is a uniform of bobo camouflage. Tends to copy. Bad daw bad. They say bad it is. And then the other is saying so that it could not happen. And then the other is so that it could prevent on so that to secure on bad. That is what is being says. And then what is the other says? Oh, the right eye. What is the right eye says is dun ka lang sa plant mo. Wag ka rito. Sabi niya. Not want you. Mine is mine. They say such that. Right eye. In English, you just on your plant, not in here. Hobby. Oh, the right eye response. There is carpet on resort solar casino. Mulan there is Mulan. Oh, that is good. Oh, this is as well being getting of the bobo camouflage, but person. Something I don't know. This is my about song. I am such that even high school. Because of the dagat, ocean. They put me on such this, the dagat. The dagat slapped me on Quezon province year 2022. And then they say, huwag titigilan magdaldal. Yun. The ocean says, do not stop to talk and behave. Something says that. And then, portion already, drawing. I feel shy. Nain ka Alex ko. An Alex Junior ko, it is STEM. Ay Alex ko. But person bitin. Bad nga bad. Letter B, letter A, letter D. Bad person bitin. I will talk. Alex Junior ko, plant has no leaf. I cry on it. I want it such that, and then the living place is water, river. And then, ano hurting myself does not hurt. Another does, hurting, but person be dead. Ayun. But person be dead. I am Conea, lover of Alex Jr. also named as Manuel Quezon the First. That is stem. This one. Such this. No plant. Only. Ay! Oh, my plant that I bought on SM. No plant. No leaf. Only such that wood. And then living place is water, such as river. I not hurt Alex ko. That is my feeling. Mine is mine. Let's see. And I feel shy. I will lock this. Thinking of myself. And, and then I not know about medicine of it. Then I will happy. And then this one is to Corina. Tapos si Corina. No pervertness in here. Layan na ate ko. If I have moment, feeling. So this is the about Corina. This is plant and then this is food. Color yellow beige. I not know. I not know if it is beige or yellow beige or what. I not know the color. It is a food. On Instagram, they show me about other look of it, but it is not similar in this. Reason why am I doing such this? I am thinking during year 2023 about plant because of design. Does not want myself to copy and then it leads me on such this. It is food. And then no itchiness. No, the word no itchiness. It is a food. That is what I could just say. Moment eh. Should have a moment. And wait, it's so light. Don't from here. Hello. Myself is in here. Jaime Alex is in here. I am not killer or there is such thought. Is this correct? But I am writing. Drawing it is. Why do I say it is correct? There is voice on my left ear. Left ear. Does not want me to draw such this. Why? I am drawing it. If I am a plant, what it is, such that. Kaya nga. Intrigue. No. The intrigue is negativity. Wait. Flows at the moment is on my right eye. What it is, the getting of plant from myself. I am on the portion of to say about my mother, such this. This plant, this shape. I am worried. Not to I am worried. But that is happy. If I am drawing a plant, what it is. No, no. The plant of this is drawing of myself for my mother. Anita Lanya Magnaye. It is such this. My father calls my mother Anisha. And then I name it Anisha. Anisha. There is voice on my right ear. I will say now about my mother flower. It is about time. There is Ingar. There is person Ingar. Wait. That flower is white color. That color of white, it vary depends on time, meaning to say the sun rays. If it is morning, such as 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, it vary based on time. The next is afternoon hour. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, such that the hour. What it is about? Only during morning sunlight. What it is about? If you cry, wait. Evening as well. Wait only. When it comes into that flower, when I say it vary the color. On the side of it has color. It is not thickness. It is such this. The color is maroon, red, maroon. After ng maroon, blue, and then violet. That is the four count of color. Such this color. Such that. Wrong. Wrong it is or good. Bad. But it is. That is my thinking. I am goodness person. It vary on the sunlight, the color of the petal. So that to indicate it is 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, such that. That is the flower that I think to my mother existence. It is white color. White color and then beige. Beige in here. Happy that is. Happy. Thank you. No hurting. What it is existence of it, so that to indicate the time, so that to indicate the time. If for instance, if it is 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, it is color red, the petals. If it is 9 o'clock in the morning, it is the heatness from the sun, it is color red. Something such that. Ayan na. Time to. What I think of during that moment is, wait, when it comes into country to country, I not think of it. What I think of is moment, memory, life, about bond. Ang ganda, that is beauty. I not know, ganda that is. They say it is long doing. I not know. Tahimik ko. I need Alex ko. Love life ko, Alex ko. I think of it year 2023. I name it Anisha. This one. 2023. That is what my father calls my mother. Anisha. Dahagang Kaishi. Anisha. So just this one. Anisha. Dahagang Kaishi. I am a girl gender.